Janice Taylor. I'm a realtor with Equity Colorado Real Estate Premier. I had a closing on Wednesday and I'm treating myself. And I just got my new kit from Rhoda Design Group, my makeup kit. Um, and I'm really excited about it because I've been using her kit for years and I'm not a big makeup person, so having everything in one place is really important to me. And so now I have a kit that has everything in it. It's great for traveling, it's great for when I'm rushing, everything is all in one place. So I just got me a new one because mine is old. And they last for a while, but I like new things and I just closed, so I could do it. So I'm excited. And look, this is how it comes in this beautiful box, and it's got the tissue paper and all of that good stuff. And look at this case. This is how it comes, and it's got good stuff in here. Ooh, look here. Look at all of these colors. These are the blushes. These are the eyeshadows. It has 3 lipsticks, and they're all in my colors. I'm cool. Cool colors look best on me. Look, Rhoda helped me figure that out. I always wore black and red, and my friends would tell me I need to wear color, but I didn't feel comfortable wearing color. But Rhoda, I came to her office and she went through this thing with me, showing what colors I looked good in and all of that stuff. And so the color palette is the cool one, is the one that I wear. And it has 3 lipsticks. It's got lip gloss. It's got brushes. It's got pencils and mascara.